I'm Richard Jones, and I'm the Talent Acquisition Manager for all of Liftow in Canada and the US. We are first of all supporting the community, coming out to this event, supporting the kids, and we're also trying to recruit new technicians for our roles. There's a lot of potential up-and-coming mechanics, plus usually their fathers or relatives are mechanics or technicians. So we're here to let them know that we are looking at all our many branches out on Ontario, and we want them to come out and sign up with us and possibly hire them. Wanted to thank Goodwood, Kartways, and Red Bull for here supporting us on this event.
My name is Joe Clenchen, Training Manager, Liftow Limited. A Liftow technician, one of the greatest things of expectation is the amount of training that the company provides. Even from a first-year apprentice, we groom that technician from the start. We have in-house training as well as apprenticeship sponsorship. And we also have a mentorship, so that entry-level technician is never left alone until the skill sets are there.
My name is Richard. I'm a Toyota certified trainer. I've been with Liftow for 23 years as a technician. 23 years ago, I saw a little ad for Liftow, and it says Class A mechanics welcome to Applied. So I tried it, and there was no looking back. I loved it. It's been good then, still good now, and I think it's only going to get better.
We're looking for technicians all over Canada. Liftow is a company that's been open for over 60 years. We have a great culture and we have a great working environment. We've been told that our company treats people well, and we have been growing very rapidly in the last 3 years. And we just want people to come in and stay a long time. A lot of us have been here a long time. I've been here 25 years. Some of my colleagues have been here over 40 years. And we really can give that longevity and a career to somebody who's looking.
I love working for Liftow. That's why I'm here 23 years. I have no plans of going anywhere. I think it's the greatest company in this industry that you could work for. Interested in this, I think Liftow is the best company to join, to start. We have full support training, online, in person, and you're never left on your own. There's always somebody you could ask for help. And we will continue to work with you on what you grow, and I think you're really going to like it.
They can apply many different ways. We always have ads on Indeed or LinkedIn. They can come correctly to our career page on liftow.com.
We have the ability to work with our technicians or other staff, sales, it could be aftermarket sales, it could be parts. They're in a group environment. It's one big happy family, and we encourage everyone else's success. That's all I can tell you. You need to be there to experience it.